Eliminate blackheads in just 3 minutes by doing this. Are you suffering from blackheads and spots on your face skin? Do you want to know the ways on how to remove blemishes and blackheads on the face? If yes, continue to watch this video. Below, we show you several simple home remedies with an impressive potential to eliminate imperfections on the face. 1. Baking soda. Nowadays, baking soda is another popular way to remove scars and stains through its exfoliating effects. You can mix the coarse sodium granules with water to remove dead skin cells from the face without any inflammation caused during the application. Mix 2 to 3 teaspoons of baking soda with water and create a consistent blend. Gently massage the skin of the face with this mixture, focusing on pimple scars. Then massage it for 1-2 minutes. Keep it on your face for a few minutes. Then rinse your face with warm water. Apply a little natural moisturizing cream, preferably olive oil. Practice this process 2 or 3 times a week. 2. Try the yogurt mask. The yogurt contains probiotic and lactic acid, which when applied to the skin, will help eliminate bad bacteria that irritate acne, thus reducing the size of the pore. Rub a thin layer of yogurt over your face skin and hold it for about 5 to 10 minutes. If it is maintained for more than 10 minutes, it may irritate the skin. Apply only about once a week. Like most masks, less is often better, so you do not need to be regularly exfoliating. 3. Rose water. Rose water has antibacterial properties and serves as an excellent skin toner. The ingredient is particularly effective in soothing the skin, especially after sunrise. You can spray directly on the skin of the face to prevent and treat stains, or mix a few drops of lavender oil with rose water to get radiant skin. Rose water is actually gentle enough to practice on your skin every day,